Seesaw is just another tool to help you make your life easier, as well as the students, and keep them engaged. They can use tools like photos to take pictures, drawing, videos, and much more to get creative. And it's a way for us teachers to eliminate all those worksheets that pile up on our desk. Our objectives when we finish this presentation is to be able to set up a new learning management system for your class, to explore the basic navigations of Seesaw, to add students to your class, to explore the already made lessons, and to push out activities. Now let's begin from the start. Your first step will be to go to Google and sign up for Seesaw. When you select this link, you'll be prompted to select that you're a teacher, a student, or a family member. Select that you're a teacher. The next step will be to create a teacher account. You'll follow the steps, adding your name, your email, and a new password. And now it's time to add your class. So go ahead and type in your class where it says name your class. Then you select your grade. After selecting your grade, you're going to mark the check mark and it will turn green. Guess what? Time to celebrate. You did it. You signed up for your first Seesaw class. When you click that check mark, it takes you to your dashboard. Yours is going to look a little different than mine, but essentially the same thing. Now let's go over the major navigation icons in Seesaw. The first navigation icon is the journal. The journal is a place where kids can post anything they want voluntarily. Then you have the activities folder. The activities folder is where you as a teacher assign something that you want your students to complete as a class. Then you have the notifications icon. This is where it will light up when anyone submits or is asking for approval to submit. The next icon is your progress bar. This is where you can track activity and completion rate and skills for each activity. And the last one is your blog icon. This is where you can publish anything from the journal to your blog. Now let's go ahead and give you some time to explore these icons on your own. There are 3 ways you can add a student to the journals page. You can approach the top right corner where it has a settings button, or you can simply scroll down to where it says add students. When you click here, you'll get prompted if you want kids to sign in with their Gmail account or no Gmail account. For the purpose of our students, we're going to say no, so it makes it easier just to pick their name when they log on to Seesaw. Once you click no, it's going to ask you if your students are a shared device or one-to-one. We select one-to-one, and here's where we add our students. Student 1, Student 2, Student 3, and so on and so forth. You can also paste a list of students' name if you have a CVC file somewhere, or if you have a list of all your names, you can paste it there. If you happen to forget to add a name, don't worry, because you can always come back and add the name after. Once you're done adding names, go ahead and click the green checkbox, and it'll give you step-by-step details on how to add your kids with a QR code or a class code. You can add all your kids through any of these devices. You have them choose that they're a student, then you display the QR code or the class code. They enter it, and then they just pick their name. Simple as that. You can add any students that you forgot, and you can also print a sign-in poster that shows them step-by-step directions. Now that you have the students on the roster, you could do more. You can manage their profile. You can go to manage students, select the students icon, and change their icon. That way you get to know which student belongs to which name. It just makes it so much easier to look for their work and everything when you could see their amazing faces. Just click the camera icon and you're good to go. Exit everything out, and you'll notice that in your roster, on your journal entries, you will see the new picture of the student. Go ahead and look at activities, how to add activities for our students, and better yet, how to explore the various amounts of lessons that are already there available for us. Save us some time, right? So you can do it 3 ways. You can go to the easiest way would be go to add and assign activity. Another way is going directly to the activity icon, and you could see your assigned ones. You can schedule one, or you can go directly to the lessons in the library, Or you can go directly here to library and explore the different lessons that Seesaw has created, the community of people from Seesaw, all teachers, educators, and also your library. So these are different lessons you have pushed out in the past. If you don't have time, you can always go to community. Again, this is where other teachers and educators and anyone who is using Seesaw has ever created a lesson. They put it here and they publish it. Let's go. Then you can also go to Seesaw lessons, which are lessons created by Seesaw employees. They let you vet it so great. You can vet it by grade, by subject, anything you want really. Let's go ahead and do first 30 days just because it's the first 30 days of school. So then you go ahead and select one of the lessons. I'm going to go ahead and select the first one, All About Me. So we're going to go ahead and select it. You could preview the lesson to see what it looks like, or you can just present it to the class. And the cool thing about Seesaw made lessons is that it like breaks it down for you, the objective, the standard it's aligned to, different handouts you might need, teacher tips, and how to teach it. So we're going to go ahead and preview this lesson. If you'd like to make some tweaks, you can. Most things are going to be locked, so you go ahead and click whatever you want to unlock. When you click it, you're going to see these three dots. You go ahead and click those three dots. You go ahead and unlock a specific area. Right. Make sure you lock it again. That way no one else can edit it. Lock. And if you like it, you go to the top right corner, you go to assign. You choose whatever class you want, but before you assign it, you can edit whether you want it to go to all students, specific students. You can also edit what folders it goes to, so just a lot organized, right? So you have All About Me, so I'll select that. So I want all of the students' submissions to go to this folder, so when I'm looking for these submissions, I go straight to All About Me. If you don't have an All About Me folder, you just go down here to create a folder, and just go ahead and type away whatever the folder you want to title it. You click this green checkbox and it creates that folder. We already have one, so I'm not going to create another one. I selected it, make sure it goes there, and go ahead and assign to the class. The activity is assigned, so all you have to do is have them sign in and respond to your activity.